Ready to turn ordinary moments into cinematic masterpieces with dreamy slow motion. Let's dive into Capcut, and I'll show you how to create stunning slow motion videos in just a few taps. First, tap on New Project to begin. Now choose the video you want to slow down from your phone's gallery. I'm selecting this clip of someone doing a jump tap to import it into Capcut. Alright, with your video in the timeline, look for the speed option in the bottom toolbar. It looks like a speedometer. Tap on it. You'll see two options, normal and curve for simple slow motion. Let's stick with normal. Tap on normal. Now drag this slider to the left to slow down your video. The further left you go, the slower the motion will be. I'm setting it to 05x for a half-speed effect. Experiment to find what looks best for your clip. For smoother slow motion, especially with faster movements, turn on Make It Smoother. Then select Better Quality. This will help Capcut fill in the gaps between frames. Tap on the checkmark when you are finished. Hit the play button to preview your slow motion masterpiece. You can trim the clip to focus on the best part of the slow motion effect. Once you're happy with your slow motion video, tap the export icon in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate. I recommend 1080p and 30fps for a good balance between quality and file size. Tap export, and Capcut will save your awesome slow motion video to your phone. That's it. You've just created a stunning slow motion video in Capcut. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Capcut tips and tricks. Now go out there and create some cinematic magic.